Children, I hope you have done the homework given to you regarding the cube and cuboids, girls. Now, today's class, we do the second unit as cylinders. I think you would have heard the name cylinder, children. What is a cylinder? A cylinder is a solid with two circular ends. We have learned last year also, girls. A solid with two circular ends is a cylinder. Now look at this paper, children. If you take this paper, what is the shape? It is a rectangular end shape. When the paper, I think you know what are the dimensions of the rectangle? Length, breadth. Length, breadth. When this paper is rolled, when the paper is rolled along the length, what did it turn into be? A cylinder. The length of the paper became what, children? It is turned into a circle. It is turned into a circle. The length becomes what, children? The base. The length becomes the The length becomes the base. The base is what? A circle whose area is pi r square and the circumference of the base is 2 pi r. I am repeating, children. A rectangular sheet of paper when rolled, it becomes a cylinder with two circular ends. A cylinder will have two circular ends, children. One will be the base, the other will be the top. Don't forget, it has two circular ends. What are the two circular ends? The base of the cylinder and the top of the cylinder. That is why when we deal with the topic cylinders, children, always we say that the base of the cylinder is a circle. The base of the cylinder is a circle. And the rectangular sheet when rolled, the length became what, children? It became 2 pi r. The length is 2 pi r. And the area is pi r square. The breadth of the cylinder becomes the height of the cylinder. The breadth of the cylinder becomes the height of the cylinder. A cylinder is a solid with two circular ends. These are the two circular ends. One is the base, the other is the top, and this area is called as the lateral surface area or curved surface area. What area, children? Lateral surface area or curved surface area. The length of the rectangle became what, children? It became the perimeter of the circular base 2 pi r units, and the breadth of the cylinder, the breadth of the rectangle became the height of the cylinder. Now look on the board, children. A solid with two circular ends. A cylinder is a solid with two circular ends. Example, pencil, log of wood. Now what are the dimensions? Previously when you learned the cube and cuboid, you have learned length, breadth, height. But now what do you have, girls? You have only two dimensions. One is radius r and the height h. Base area, pi r squared square units. The base of the cylinder is a circle. So area of the circle is what, girls? Pi r square. And the circumference of the base is 2 pi r. The circle, the base of the cylinder is a circle. Circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. So the circumference of the base of the cylinder is also 2 pi r. Lateral curved surface area. Lateral curved surface area is nothing but circumference of the base into height. What is it, children? Circumference of the base into height, that is equal to, what is circumference of the base? 2 pi r into h. So 2 pi r h square units. Coming to TSA of the cylinder, total area of the cylinder. Can you observe? The cylinder has got two circular ends. Each is pi r square. What is the area of each side? Pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square is what, children? 2 pi r square plus LSA. What is LSA? 2 pi r h. When you take out common, children, it is 2 pi r into h plus r square units. Volume of the cylinder is area of the base into height. Base area into height. What is the base area? Pi r square. And what is the height? H. Pi r square into h. Pi r square h cubic units. Base area pi r square. The base circumference 2 pi r. LSA is the curved surface area. LSA, CSA means curved surface. Anything is the same. Perimeter of the base into height. The base is a circle. 2 pi r into h is 2 pi r h square units. TSA, base area plus top area. Each is how much? Pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square is how much, children? 2 pi r square. And what is LSA? 2 pi r h. Take out common. 2 pi r into h plus r. Volume, base area into height. The base is a circle, children. Its area is pi r square. Pi r square into h is pi r square h cubic units. Now coming to hollow. You might wonder what two cylinders are here. This is solid cylinder and this is hollow. Hollow means where there is empty space. For example, the drainage pipes, the tube lights, all these are hollow. Hollow means empty space. Such solids will have two dimensions. Inner radius small r, outer radius capital R. Inner radius small r, outer radius capital R, and the height is common for both, so we take it as h. And inner CSA, inner curved surface area 2 pi small r h, outer CSA 2 pi capital R h, and TSA 2 pi into capital R plus small r into h plus capital R minus small r square units. Yes, inner CSA 2 pi small r h square units, outer CSA 2 pi capital R h square units, TSA 2 pi into capital R plus small r into h plus capital R minus small r square units, and volume is equal to pi h into capital R square minus small r square cubic units. I hope you have followed, children. Now please make down a note, children. A note. Note means so that you can use the concepts in diameter. You know what is diameter, children? 2r units. 2 into radius. Radius, when diameter is given, diameter by 2. Next, inner radius is equal to, inner radius small r is equal to capital R minus W. W means thickness. Outer radius is equal to, outer radius capital R is equal to, outer radius capital R is equal to small r plus W. This is for hollow cylinder. Yes, children. Diameter is twice the radius. When diameter is given, what is radius, children? Diameter by 2. Inner radius is outer radius minus thickness. Outer radius is capital R, which is small r plus thickness. Now coming to the problems related to exercise 13.2. Exercise 13.2. The CSA of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeters is 88 square centimeters. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder, children. The CSA of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeters is 88 square centimeters. Find the diameter of the base. What are you given, children? You are given CSA and height. You are asked to find out diameter for the cylinder. Yes, you do not know radius, so you take it as what? Radius is R. And height. How much is the height, children? Your height h is 14 centimeters. CSA of cylinder is how much? 88 centimeters squared. Because you are given CSA, children, use the formula for CSA. I think all of you know the value of pi. I need not remind you. Yes, you have learned in the 7th, you have learned in the 8th. I think you can recollect what is pi value, children. 22 by 7, or you do not know, 14 is equal to h. You know the meaning of the word cross multiply. Cross multiply means the denominator on one side will go to the numerator on the other side. 7 goes to the right side. R is equal to 88 into 7 into 14. Yes? 2 into 22, 44, 2 times. 7 2s are 14 ones. So the radius is 1 centimeter. The radius of the cylinder is got as 1 centimeter. Radius R is equal to 1 centimeter. The question is, find the diameter of the base. Do you remember the base diameter formed just now? We have learned, children, 2R units. 2 into 1, that is equal to 2 centimeters. Given the radius as R and height h and the CSA, we found out radius. Because you are given CSA, children, CSA is 2 pi RH. What will happen to 7? Cross multiply. Calculate R. R is 1 centimeter. When radius is 1, the diameter is 2 centimeters. Second question. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeters from a metal sheet. How many square meters of sheet is required for the same? From the beginning, I have been telling children, whenever you want to make a solid, which area you are going to find out? Can you guess? Which area? It is the TSA. For the cylinder, what are you given, children? For the cylindrical tank. For the cylindrical tank, you are given diameter. How much is the diameter? Diameter is 140 centimeters. Whenever you know diameter, what we will find out, girls? Radius, that is equal to diameter by 2, 140 by 2, that is equal to 70 centimeters. Yes, children. And the height. How much is your height, children? The height h is equal to 1 meter. See, children, height is in meters, radius is in centimeters. You cannot do. Yes, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 70 by 100 meters is equal to 0.7 meters. The sheet required to make the tank, the sheet required to make the tank is equal to TSA of the cylinder. Any guesses? 2 pi r into h plus r square units. 2 pi into pi is how much? 22 by 7. R is how much? 0.7. 1 plus 0.7 meters square. 2 into 22 by 7. Add, children. 1 plus 0.7. 1.7 meters square. 7 goes how many times? Ignore the decimal point and multiply. 2 into 22, 44. Into 1, 44. 17 into 44, 68, 68. How many digits after the point, children? 2 digits. This is the material needed to make the tank. You are given, what are you given for the tank, children? The diameter. In cylinder sum, we don't want diameter, always radius, height, radius, height. Radius is diameter by 270 centimeters. As the height is in meters, radius also should be in meters, children. 1 meter is 100 centimeters, 70 by 100, 0.7. Sheet required to make the tank is nothing but the TSA of the cylinder, which is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r square units. R is 0.7 into 1 plus 0.7 is what, children? 1.7. 7 divides how many times? 0.1. Multiply 2 into 22, 44 into 1, 44 into 17. Put the point, 7.48 meters square. Coming to the third question. A metal pipe. A metal pipe 77 centimeters long. The inner diameter is 4 centimeters and the outer diameter is 4.4. Find the inner, outer and the total TSA. A metal pipe.
Please draw the diagram.
A metal pipe means, children, hollow. It is hollow. Inner diameter for the pipe. For the metal pipe, what are you given, girls? Long. Long means what? Height. Long means height. How much is the height? 77. Inner diameter. Inner diameter is how much? 4 centimeters. Inner radius. Always cylinder sums, we require radius and diameter. Radius and height. 4 by 2. That is equal to outer diameter. Outer diameter is how much, children? 4.4 centimeters. Outer radius is taken as what? Capital R. Yes, that is equal to 4.4 by 2. That is equal to how much? 3 quantities. Height, radius, outer. With these 3, we are going to find out inner CSA. Inner CSA. Any guesses? 2 pi r h square units. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 77 centimeters square. Yes, 44, 88, 88 plus 88, how much? 968 centimeters square. Outer CSA. Outer CSA is what, children? 2 pi capital RH square units. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.2 into 77. Yes, 44. (1064.8 centimeters square) is the inner CSA. Inner CSA 2 pi small r h square units. Outer CSA 2 pi capital R H square units. And what else are you asked to find out, children? TSA. Yes? Can you say the formula for TSA, children? TSA of metal pipe. It all depends on how you learn the formulas and do, children. H plus capital R minus small r square units. 2 pi, what is capital R? 2.2 plus 2. H, 77. 2.2 minus 2 centimeters square. 2 pi into 4.2, 77. 2.2 minus 2 is what, children? Yes? 2 pi into 4.2 into 77.2 centimeters square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 77.2. Go for cancellation. Yes, multiply. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 6, 264. Seven fours are 28, 42, 44, 18, 18, 4, 8. TS of the metal pipe, 2 pi into capital R plus small r into H plus capital R minus small r square units. First evaluate, children. Capital R plus small r, 2.2 plus 2, 4.2. Capital R minus small r, 2.2 minus 2, 77 plus 0.2, 77.2. Go for cancellation, 0.6 and multiply. This is the TSA of the metal pipe. Homework. Write each formula 2 times. Exercise 13.2, 1 to 3. Maybe.